What up, viewers of the tube? It's Blackjack Buck coming at you again today from Mansel Carter Oasis Skatepark in Queen Creek, Arizona. It's a suburb of like Mesa, Phoenix. This place is sick, and we're here today, Cass and me, and the homie Dominic. You all remember Dominic Rotella? He's over there in the shade, cooling down. We out here skating. It's pretty dang hot, but we got a couple clips already, so it's gonna include those in a separate video, a little short, and this will just be the roll through of the park because we filmed the other stuff vertically and this horizontally to better fit the tube. So we're gonna go over the park, check it out, and hope you enjoy. Over here we got the bump up to ledge, hubba down, long 5 stair with a rail. It's a little bit more of a gap to it on this side, but this side, goofy back front side, regular back side, it's a little bit smaller. Got banks here. Well, over there we got quarter pipes, nice hips, steeple bank up there, a Cassandra. Up here we got a sweet taco kind of bowl pocket thing. Grind up and over and around or whatever. A better view from the bottom of that 5 stair and that side of it with the hip and the bank up to the ledge, and just a mirror image over here. Same thing on this other side, but it's opposite, so the gap out is on the goofy front side, regular back side. Same 5 stair, hip. Sweet ledge right up there, bank up to the ledge. It's pretty cool. Similar setup over here. 5-foot quarter pipe. Nice hip, little 6-foot extension there. Back to another quarter. Got some bench lines. Smaller ledge. All really nice coping on these benches. Hit the quarter pipe, come back. A-frame's really sweet. You can hit it from either side. So whether you're goofy or regular, you can get both types of tricks. We got this section, these out ledges up there. Down rails or up rails. Manual pad, another ledge. Same thing, kind of mirror skate park. I really like these parks because, you know, you could do whatever from either side. And of course the flat rail. Pretty sweet, about 12 feet long. Nice and mellow. Plenty of flat surface up here. And also some ledges if you want to learn some stuff. And then we got this sweet snake run mini ramp, half pipe. Sick hip over there. And a pocket over there on this end. Nowhere to turn around. I feel like they really could have put a whole bowl pocket over there and over here, just so you can keep it going, but whatever, not up to me. So that's pretty much the park. I think the skate park is really great. It's got a lot of good features for all levels of skater. You can really get buck if you're advanced. Intermediate, you could push yourself, starting small, going bigger. Beginner, you can learn all the basics and everything, flat rail, everything you need here. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and give this I'm gonna call this one a spade. I'm gonna put this in the spade category because it's just a great park, really fun, and we had a lot of good times here today. So let me know if you agree with my rating. That's 4 out of 4 for those of you who aren't familiar with the card suit rating system. So 4 out of 4. Dom's nuts are burned, and that's gonna wrap it up for us today. I hope you enjoyed today's review and overview of this park. If you find this content useful and beneficial and informative, please consider freaking truck slapping that like button and grind that subscribe button so that you don't miss any further videos and you know where to skate. This is Blackjack Buck Skate Park Review. Peace out.